How to confirm Thrifty driver requirements before you rent. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. For confirmation of Thrifty driver requirements before you rent, make sure the driver's license must match the renter's name, be fully eligible and valid for the entire rental period. Damage, fading, and or alternation that inhibits the legibility or authentication of driver's license may be refused. Also, customers who reside in the United States, U.S. territories, or Canada must present at time of rental a valid driver's license with photograph issued by their state or province of residence. And for international customer traveling to the United States or Canada who have a driver's license that was issued outside of the US or Canada are required to present a valid driver's license at the time of rent and a valid passport in the same name displayed on the foreign driver's license as second form of identification. This is how to confirm Thrifty driver requirements before you rent. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.